space observatories have spotted something extraordinary, an object moving at unimaginable speeds toward our solar system, defying all known physics. In response, Secretary of War Pete Hegseth has called an urgent, high-stakes meeting set for September 30th at Marine Corps Base Quantica. This unprecedented gathering will include hundreds of top brass, every general and admiral from the Army, Navy, Air Force, Marines, and even Space Force, totaling nearly 800 senior officers. This could mark one of the largest assemblies of U.S. military leadership ever. The absence of clear answers has sparked intense speculation, especially since monitoring stations tracking 3IATLAS, the enigmatic interstellar object already baffling scientists, suffered sudden, unexplained disruptions. Many now suspect this meeting isn't about routine strategy but a direct response to Atlas and its potential threat to national security. What exactly did the military detect? And why are they mobilizing as if this is about survival, not just science? In the dead of night, while the public slept, unusual activity stirred across naval bases from Norfolk to Pearl Harbor. Secure channels buzzed with orders to reposition select fleets, activate sonar arrays, and bring satellite-linked defense networks online. No official statements have been made, but satellite enthusiasts and military bloggers notice ship movements that don't align with any planned exercises. These weren't routine patrols. Deployed vessels included Aegis-equipped destroyers, ballistic missile defense cruisers, and submarines designed for deep-sea surveillance. Their target? 3IATLAS, an object millions of miles away. At first, the public questioned why the Navy, not NASA, was taking the lead on a space object. Leaked insider reports provided a chilling answer. Data from the James Webb Space Telescope and classified military instruments revealed Atlas doesn't behave like a comet. Its emissions, erratic trajectory shifts, and strange metallic signatures suggest something deliberate. If there's even a 1% chance this object is under intelligent control, military readiness became the top priority. Whispers of emergency briefings within NASA and sealed Navy Space Command meetings point to a rehearsed contact protocol, a contingency plan blending naval operations with classified aerospace directives, long dismissed as conspiracy. Most unsettling, the Navy's focus on undersea monitoring, with hydroacoustic stations, once used to track Soviet subs, suddenly recalibrated. Analysts quietly speculate that Atlas might not just traverse the skies but could interact with Earth's oceans, explaining the urgency. Ships are forming silent grids in the water, preparing for something the public hasn't been warned about. What is the Navy bracing to confront? While the Navy moved in secrecy, NASA scientists raised red flags behind closed doors. Leaked internal memos describe 3IATLAS as energetically anomalous and structurally inconsistent with natural celestial bodies, terms not from fringe theorists but from engineers analyzing James Webb data. Initially, NASA downplayed Atlas as a kilometer-wide comet, but classified reports suggest it's far larger, spanning 30 to 50 kilometers, an impact threat dwarfing the asteroid that wiped out the dinosaurs. Official statements remain vague, but a second warning emerged. Spectrographic data revealed repeating infrared pulses, structured like a signal. Initially dismissed as coincidence, the pattern's confirmation across multiple telescopes made it undeniable, a rhythmic pulse hinting at communication. Some researchers privately labeled it a directed emission source, with one whistleblower claiming the signal included prime number intervals, a hallmark of potential intelligent origin. When this reached military channels, Atlas was no longer a scientific curiosity but a national security issue. NASA was silenced, James Webb data locked down, and independent astronomers found their access restricted. Online forums buzzed with claims the government wasn't just hiding what Atlas is but what it might be doing. Reports of a private briefing with Elon Musk, whose Starlink network detected interference during Atlas's approach, fueled the fire. Musk's cryptic, quickly deleted post, "It's bigger than they're telling you," only deepened the mystery. What is NASA so desperate to conceal? As whispers of 3IATLAS leak beyond scientific circles, Washington could no longer contain the story. Classified briefings reached lawmakers, igniting a political firestorm. Senators demanded answers. Is this a bizarre comet or something deliberately entering our solar system? The White House issued vague reassurances. The situation is under review, no threat to the public, but behind closed doors, panic brewed. Former President Donald Trump called Atlas a cover-up bigger than Roswell, accusing NASA of withholding the truth. Elon Musk added fuel on X, suggesting Atlas's trajectory adjustments were technologically suggestive before his post vanished. Conspiracy forums exploded, theorizing Atlas as an alien probe, a weapon, or even a biblical harbinger. YouTube live streams of the night sky drew millions, with amateur astronomers aiming shaky telescopes at the cosmos, desperate to see what government seemed eager to hide. In coastal towns near redeployed Navy ships, residents reported unexplained night drills, offshore booms, and sealed harbors. Mainstream media jumped in. CNN called Atlas the most unusual interstellar visitor ever detected, while Fox News cited Pentagon sources labeling it strategically concerning.